Question 1. What is the capital city of Australia? A. Melbourne, B. Sydney, C. Canberra. Correct answer, C. Canberra. Canberra is the federal capital city of Australia. It is situated between Sydney and Melbourne. Question 2. When did the first Aboriginal people arrive in Australia? A. Between 65,000 and 40,000 years ago. B. Between 20,000 and 8,000 years ago. C. Between 6,000 and 2,000 years ago. Correct answer. A. Between 65,000 and 40,000 years ago. Based on the archaeological records, it is estimated that Aboriginal people arrived in Australia approximately 65,000 to 40,000 years ago. Question 3. The High Court of Australia and Parliament House are two important national institutions. Where are they situated? A. Tasmania, B. Melbourne, C. Canberra. Correct answer, C. Canberra. The High Court of Australia and Parliament House are both located in Canberra, the capital city of Australia. The High Court is situated near Lake Burley Griffin, while Parliament House is positioned on Capitol Hill with a view of the city. Question 4. On Australia Day, which day of commemoration is celebrated? A. The arrival of the First Fleet. B. Independence Day. C. Confederation Day. Correct answer. A. The arrival of the First Fleet. The First Fleet sailed from England and arrived in Australia on January the 26th, 1788. The British government established a convict settlement here. Australia Day was set up to celebrate this day. Question 5. Where did the majority of the original immigrants to Australia come from, not including immigrants from Europe? A. Vietnam, B. India, C. China. Correct answer, C. China. After the gold discovery, the Chinese were the first large group of immigrants, not from Europe. Question 6. The yellow circle in the Australian Aboriginal flag represents A. The Australian Aboriginal people, B. The sun, C. The spiritual and earthly association with the land. Correct answer, B. The sun. The Australian Aboriginal flag has three colours, black, red and yellow. 1. The top half is black and represents the Aboriginal people of Australia. 2. The bottom half is red and represents the earth and a spiritual relationship to the land. 3. The yellow circle represents the sun. Question 7. Where do 3/4 of the population of Western Australia reside? A. Bunbury, B. Albany, C. Perth. Correct answer, C. Perth. Perth is the largest city in the state of Western Australia and its capital. With the vast majority of people in the state living there, it is also the most populated city. Question 8. Who is eligible for legal protection in Australia? A. The elected representatives. B. All Australians. C. The Prime Minister. Correct answer, B. All Australians. In Australia, legal protection is available to all individuals who are Australian citizens or residents, regardless of their occupation or status. Question 9. Which statement from the following options provides the most accurate description of the Australian system? A. Autocracy, B. Oligarchy, C. Democracy. Correct answer, C. Democracy. Australia is a democratic nation where citizens enjoy the freedom to choose representatives who govern the country and create laws on their behalf. Question 10. Which religion is the official state religion of Australia? A. Buddhism, B. New Catholicism, C. None of the above. Correct answer, C. None of the above. Although Australia has Jewish and Christian traditions, this country does not have an official national religion. Question 11. The minimum age requirement for joining the Australian Public Service is A. 18 years old, B. 20 years old, C. 22 years old. Correct answer, A. 18 years old. The minimum age requirement of 18 years old to join the Australian Public Service is in place to ensure that individuals have reached the legal age of adulthood before entering into employment in the public sector. Question 12. Which of the following statements regarding the law in Australia is false? A. The courts in Australia are independent. B. Judges and magistrates can be fired by the Prime Minister. C. People are considered innocent until they are found guilty in court. Correct answer, C. People are considered innocent until they are found guilty in court. In Australia, judges and magistrates are appointed and removed independently of the Prime Minister or any political authority. Question 13. When did Australia's constitution begin to take effect? A. January 26, 1867. B. January 1st, 1901. C. April 25, 1915. Correct answer, B. January 1st, 1901. The Constitution of Australia came into force on January 1st, 1901. This date marks the establishment of the Commonwealth of Australia as a federation, unifying the 6 separate colonies into a single nation. Question 14. How many senators does each state have in Australia? A. 10, B. 12, C. 14. Correct answer, B. 12. In Australia, each state has 12 senators. This is stipulated in the Australian Constitution. Each state's number of senators is equal, regardless of the state's population size or geographic region. Question 15. Which of the following statements is true about freedom of expression in Australia? A. People who disagree with me need to remain silent. B. Only approved topics can be discussed. C. Everyone can express their opinions peacefully within the law. Correct answer, C. Everyone can express their opinions peacefully within the law. In Australia, individuals should have the freedom to express themselves, as long as their expressions do not violate the law or cause harm to others. Question 16. The word referendum means underscore. A. Vote to choose federal delegates. B. Elect their country's representatives by voting. C. Vote to alter the Australian Constitution. Correct answer, C. Vote to alter the Australian Constitution. In Australia, a referendum provides an opportunity for citizens to cast their votes on proposed changes or modifications to the Australian Constitution. Question 17. What is the capital city of Tasmania? A. Geelong, B. Townsville, C. Hobart. Correct answer. C. Hobart. In Tasmania, Hobart is its capital city. Geelong and Townsville are cities in Australia, but they are not the capital of Tasmania. Question 18. Which city is the largest in Australia? A. Sydney, B. Melbourne, C. Perth. Correct answer. A. Sydney. Sydney is the largest city in Australia and the capital of New South Wales. Sydney is well known for the Opera House and Harbour Bridge. Question 19. How many points does the Commonwealth star on the Australian flag have? A3, B5, C7. Correct answer. C7. The Commonwealth star is a 7-pointed star symbolising the Federation of Australia. 6 points of the star represent the 6 states, and the 7th point represents the territories. Question 20. In order to live and work in Australia, which of the following is the most important? A. Driving, B. Travelling, C. Communicating in English. Correct answer. C. Communicating in English. The official national language of Australia is English. According to the 2025 census, 76% of Australians claimed that they solely spoke English at home. English is widely spoken and used for official purposes throughout the country. While there are also many Indigenous languages spoken by Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples, English is the dominant and official language of the nation. Thank you for watching. How many questions did you pass? Don't forget to like, subscribe for me. Bye.